Hey matcha lovers! Welcome back to Full Leaf Tea Company. Today we are going to make a matcha latte using our organic sweet matcha cinnamon with a pumpkin cream on top. This is the perfect drink for fall and is ready to get you in all the cozy vibes. We're going to start with 3 teaspoons of our organic sweet matcha cinnamon. This is a delicious matcha which is made with our organic premium Japanese matcha, a little bit of organic cinnamon, and organic cane sugar. I'm going to mix that with about 6 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water and mix that vigorously until I get a nice froth on top. Next, I'm going to take about a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, add in a tablespoon of 100% pure canned pumpkin, add in a little bit of ground ginger, a little bit of ground cinnamon, and then froth this thoroughly until it nearly reaches soft peaks. The only thing left to do is combine our matcha and our pumpkin cream. This drink is delicious, perfect for fall, and is sure to get you in those cozy vibes, ready to curl up by the fire with a nice cup of hot pumpkin spice matcha. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and check out the description below for everything you'll need to make this recipe. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!